Are you tired of the same old breakfast routine? Well, today I have something exciting for you. Keto breakfast ideas. Kickstart your day with a delicious and nutritious low-carb meal that will keep you energized. Whether you're following the keto diet or simply looking for a healthy breakfast option, you're in for a treat. First up, we have a mouth-watering recipe for keto-friendly pancakes. Made with almond flour and cream cheese, these pancakes are fluffy and full of flavor. Topped with a dollop of sugar-free whipped cream and fresh berries, they're a breakfast dream come true. Next, let's talk about eggs, the ultimate breakfast staple. But instead of plain scrambled eggs, why not try a cheesy bacon and spinach omelet? Packed with protein and healthy fats, it's the perfect way to start your day. Now, let's move on to something a bit more unconventional: zucchini fritters. These crispy little beauties are made with grated zucchini, Parmesan cheese, and almond flour. They're a great alternative to traditional hash browns and are packed with vitamins and fiber. For those who prefer a grab-and-go option, try making some keto-friendly granola bars. Filled with nuts, seeds, and a touch of coconut oil, these bars are crunchy, satisfying, and incredibly easy to make. And of course, we can't forget about smoothies. Instead of using high-sugar fruits, opt for low-carb options like berries, avocado, or spinach. Add some almond milk, a scoop of protein powder, and a handful of ice, and blend away. Not only will it keep you full until lunchtime, but it's also a great way to get in some extra nutrients. Now, let's delve into the world of chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Mix them with unsweetened almond milk, a dash of vanilla extract, and your choice of sweetener. Leave it in the fridge overnight, and in the morning, you'll have a delicious and filling chia pudding. For those with a sweet tooth, keto-friendly waffles are a must-try. Made with almond flour and eggs, they're light, fluffy, and oh so satisfying. Top them with some sugar-free syrup or a handful of fresh berries, and you're in breakfast heaven. Lastly, let's not forget about good old bacon and eggs. But this time, let's switch it up and make a bacon-wrapped egg cup. Simply line a muffin tin with bacon strips, crack an egg into each cup, and bake until set. These cute little cups are perfect for meal prepping and can be enjoyed hot or cold. So, there you have it, a variety of delicious and easy keto breakfast ideas. Give them a try and let me know which one becomes your new go-to morning meal. And remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so why not make it keto-tastic?